What's the meaning of citron? Citron. Citron.
Citron. Citron. Citron refers to an oval-shaped citrus fruit with a thick rind and a sour flavor. The fruit is typically yellow or green in color and is often used for culinary purposes, including making drinks, desserts, and savory dishes. The citron tree is native to Asia and is also grown in other parts of the world, including the Mediterranean and California. In addition to its culinary uses, citron is believed to have medicinal properties and is used in some traditional medicines to treat various ailments.